Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. In this video, I will talk about correlation. What is correlation and test about correlation in eviews. Let's start. Correlation. When two error terms are related to each other is called correlation. So there are different tests for correlation. Number one is Durbin Watson test and number two is Lagrange multiplier or LM test. Durbin Watson test only used for first order correlation and the Lagrange multiplier or LM test used for higher order correlation. So get started in eviews how to test correlation. I have eviews file open. So here are my eviews file open. These are the list of the variables. For I testing a correlation of data, let me run a regression by clicking on quick estimate equation and write variables. Price and click OK. So here are the regression. You can see that this is a Durbin Watson value 1.757956. It is near to 1.7. What is 1.7? Durbin Watson has defined no correlation area which start from 1.7 to 2.3. So this means this value is between 1.7 and 2.3. This means there is no correlation. But I earlier said Durbin Watson test only test correlation for the first order correlation. For the higher, this test cannot be used. So for higher order, we can use LM test. Applying LM test by clicking on view, residual diagnostic and serial correlation LM test. Click OK. You can see that probability value of chi-square is 0.5416. This means this is insignificant. Null hypothesis of correlations shows that there is no correlation, or alternative hypothesis of correlation shows that there is correlation. So this value is insignificant, so we can accept null hypothesis and reject alternative hypothesis. So that's all from today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel.